Okay, here we go. This is just in case something happens. All right, out here. Believe it or not, look at that. Got a zip tie on it. That thing's attached to the zip tie. Okay, hold on. A knife or something. Or something. Check out this one, just driven. Are you sure? Are you really sure? Yeah. I am sure. I don't want to bring it anymore. Yeah, check it out. Okay. See that? Alright, hold on. Here we go. Here we go. You can do it. You can do it. Of course. Yeah, you can do it. And put all the way in insulation at the same time. No, that's useless. What is that? Look, damaged right there. Anyway. Let's see. What's going on here? Alright, hold down. Let's get that in there. Coils on this side. Alright. A little bit of a Jenga. You gotta kind of go around and see if I can still get it out without ripping anything. Ta-da! Ta-da! Alright, so what are these? Oh, let's see, look. Dang it. No, what are you doing? Stop. See, look what I did. Whoopsie. Alright, I have to fix that. Hold on. Well, it's hard to believe I did that much damage with my shoulder. Just reaching in there. But, yeah, that's what happens. Now, they sell a little comb that you can run through here, and it's supposed to straighten all these guys up. That'll probably be a lot faster. These are interesting. I mean, look at how they're multiple different pieces. It's not just like one big fin. It's kind of weird. But anyway. Yeah, I have a little comb. That'll be fine. Okay. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you have a professional install your stuff. It'll be alright. Not gonna affect the efficiency in the least. Alright. I'm gonna put this back down. happening here? Yeah, you can't lift it up that way. All right. You can't lift it that way. It has to be lifted this way. And now what's the issue? Is that it? Okay. Right. Yeah, it's just because it's on the thing that it's not going on right. Right. So what I'm gonna do now? He said, I'm gonna go cool off, get something, nice tasty beverage, read the instruction manual, and head back to it because I want to get these things installed, right? I need to clean these things up a little bit. Because that's just kind of nasty. So, get that cleaned up with some soap and water. Heck, I might even bust out the barkeeper's friend. I don't know. We'll find out. See you in the next video. Love you later. Bye.